Everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are familiar with Greek food, you'll know how popular this Greek tzatziki sauce is. In Greece, they serve it with a lot of dishes. Well, this sauce is good enough to have with just pita, but you can have it with meat, fish, and many other things. Now, I'm sharing the authentic recipe for making Greek tzatziki sauce. I hope you like it. It's pretty simple, but there are few steps which you need to follow to make it perfect every time. So let's get started. First ingredient is cucumber, which is one of the key ingredients for this recipe, and you need to peel off the skin. Well, cucumber is one of those vegetables that you can eat with the skin, but not for this recipe. After peeling comes grating. Now I'm going to use this grater and that's the size I'm using today. If you want, you can go for a little bit smaller than that. Now don't tempt to use a food processor. Once you have shredded all your cucumber, add quarter teaspoon of salt. And the reason for doing is we want to take out extra moisture from cucumber. Now, as you know, cucumber has a lot of liquid in it, and we want to take out that because moisture is the enemy for this sauce. We don't want it liquidy. So just mix the salt with cucumber and then set it aside for 10 minutes, and you'll see how much water comes out. In the meantime, we are going to prep our Greek yogurt. Let's take a bowl and put a cheesecloth on that. Greek yogurt by itself is very creamy, rich, and tasty. It's just perfect. But for this recipe, moisture is the enemy. So what we are doing is taking extra moisture out of it, and there is quite a lot of it. So I have taken it on a piece of cheesecloth, and now I'm just going to take the sides and very lightly I'm going to take the squeeze it to take the extra moisture out of it. Now don't tempt to squeeze very hard, that way you'll lose a lot of the creaminess of it. Okay, after taking some of the moisture out, leave it and it will ooze out more. And now it's time to prepare the other ingredients. First, a lemon. Now, if you like tanginess, then you can add juice of one whole lemon. I like it to be a little less tanginess and more salty, so I'm taking just half juice of half a lemon. And then we need 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and you want to mince them finely. We are going to use it raw, and it's going to go to the sauce. Okay, and finally, I'm using some herbs for that. I have taken dill, and you want to mince them really fine. Okay, now it's been more than 10 minutes, and a lot of water has come out from my cucumber. What you need to do is squeeze it really hard. You can use a paper towel or maybe a piece of fabric. Once you have squeezed out all liquid from your cucumber, put it in a bowl, and our Greek yogurt is all ready. First, I'm going to combine these two ingredients, the two key ingredients. So, putting together cucumber and Greek yogurt, and then I'm going to give it a thorough mix. So, these are the main ingredients for this recipe. And now I'm going to add all the flavorings that I prepared earlier, our minced garlic, lemon juice, salt, pepper, dash of olive oil, and bit of dill. Now, this is one of those recipes that you can prepare ahead of time and you can still serve it as fresh to your guests. And I like those because I want to spend quality time with my guests when they come. And this is one item that I can really make the night before, let it chill, and then serve. So after mixing everything in, you want to cover it and then you want to refrigerate for at least 4 to 5 hours. But the best result comes if you leave it overnight because all the flavors will mix in and become dense. So my tzatziki sauce is all ready and I'm going to serve it on a bowl and I'll show you how the texture has come out after an overnight resting. So before you serve, you might want to add a little bit of extra dill on top. You can chop them up or put like this. and dash of olive oil. I shared an authentic recipe for making Greek tzatziki sauce. And if you want to encourage me to show more recipes like this, please put a comment on the comment box, and you can also use the thumbs up button to cheer me up. Thank you everyone for watching, and bye.